Alrighty. Today we're going to be changing out these, as they call them, custom fit floor mats in the ProMaster. We're going to be swapping these out. These custom fits come 3 pieces. You get passenger, center part, and a driver's floor mat there, but there's nothing that goes in between. Between the seats. So we had a special order. Ordered got a little box here. It's from Infotech Automotives. So we're going to be installing their floor mat into the Dodge Ram ProMaster 2500. So let's see what we get in the box. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Of course, it comes with a packing slip, but nobody ever reads these things anyway. But we'll just... Yep, I ordered it. Alrighty, kind of crammed in there a little bit, but let's see what we got here. Now, this is supposed to be custom fit. Probably gonna have to put it on top of the truck so that the sun can heat it up a little bit, so it'll get some of these crinkles out, so it'll lay flat. But so far, it does look like the layout on the Ram, so that's a plus. So I'm going to put this on the roof of the truck so it'll be able to naturally lay itself all the way flat, and then we're going to install it in the van and see what it looks like. Alrighty, update. Apparently you're not supposed to lay this mat outdoors in direct sunlight. We have mostly overcast, so we're good. So let's try it out. Alrighty, laying on the roof here. So looks really neat, but these little what are you, octagons? The cuts are nice. Doesn't look like any kind of like bad edging, nothing like that. Just got this one spot that's warped up a little, but that's probably because of shipping. But eventually it'll go flat, and then we'll be putting it in there. All right, first thing we're going to do, get rid of these old ones. Do a quick little sweep just to make sure we don't have anything stuck under it. Alrighty, now we're just going to get the new floor mat, unroll it across here. Alrighty, got it installed. I like this. It fits nice. And it's all one piece, goes across. Goes all the way across. They even have a little piece for where you put your foot at. This is nice because you don't have to worry about anything dropping in between the little compartments down here. Dirt. If dirt lands on it, it's gonna get caught into these. And it looks pretty simple to clean. It only takes a few minutes to pull it out. You can hose this thing off, hit it with a pressure washer, whatever you need to do. Nice, and it fits nicely too. I like this. And with this, you can still put floor mats on top of it if you wanted to, but I don't think I'm going to. I like this stuff. I like the material. And here's the driver's side. So this is normally where you put your foot at. It's going to need to settle a little bit more, but this thing fits nice. It goes underneath the seat just a little bit. The thing I like the most is it goes all the way back there. That's awesome. I like that. This is going to be so nice. I'll leave in the description the link if anybody wants to get one of these. It's pretty cheap. It's not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. So if you want one, I'll throw a link in the description. All right. So first impressions. I like this stuff. I don't know why I didn't get this stuff sooner. But as with everything, I'll be able to tell you in a couple weeks after we put some good usage to it and everything, see how it holds up and everything else. So, but as of right now, I like this. All right, now as always, we're gonna see about getting the approval from the April. So she's gonna be coming down here pretty soon, and she's gonna check it out, and we'll see what she thinks. It's gonna be her first time seeing it, so she'll probably nitpick.
Wow. Nice. It does fit good, right? You didn't have to cut it at all?
Nope.
Lovely.
Yeah, it's got the little octagon things on there.
Yeah, because we get a lot of mud, like, especially when we don't have a campsite that, like, has princess pavement. Very nice. Like it. It looks good.
So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, there we go. We got the approval.
Liking it.
Good job.
Looks gorgeous. I mean, it can even absorb water. You know, like if our feet get water, like the little holes, that's what it's for.
Yeah, it doesn't absorb it. It just holds it.
Yeah, it just holds it instead of it like running everywhere.
Running back there in the back or going into those compartments underneath.
Because sometimes we have to like pull out in the pouring rain, you know?
Yeah. So, there you have it. Good to go.